Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm walking you through the complete process for whitelisting an IP address in Cloudflare in 2025, using the IP access rules feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to allow specific IP addresses, ranges, or even entire countries to bypass your Cloudflare security features, giving trusted users seamless access without sacrificing your site's protection. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't been here for a while, don't worry, the layout's clean and pretty easy to navigate. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section labeled Security. Click into that. And look for the option called Security Rules. This is where Cloudflare centralizes all your security controls, making it a breeze to manage who gets access to your site and who doesn't. We're using IP access rules today because it's the simplest and most direct way to whitelist IPs. Creating a custom rule here is much more user-friendly than other methods, and it keeps everything easy to update later on. Once you're in the Security Rules section, find and select IP Access Rules. You should now see a button that says Create Rule. Give that a click. This opens up the configuration window where you'll define exactly what you want to allow. Take your time here. A little careful setup now can save you headaches down the line. Next, you'll enter the details for the rule. In the IP field, you can put a single IP address. Maybe it's your office, developer, or a remote employee who needs access. If you have a whole range of addresses you want to allow, enter it using CIDR notation. Don't worry if that sounds intimidating. It just means you're telling Cloudflare that a whole group of addresses is allowed, not just one. For example, 192.168.10.24 would cover everything from 192.168.11 to 192.168.1255. This is really handy if your trusted users might get assigned different IPs within that block. You can even choose a country or ASN if you want to allow all traffic from a specific region or service provider. Just keep in mind, the broader you set your rule, the less restrictive it becomes, so only grant as much access as you really need. Now for the action you want to choose, skip. What does skip mean here? When you select this, you're telling Cloudflare to skip its security checks, things like the web application firewall or bot management features, for any traffic from the IP addresses or ranges you've listed. This basically creates a fast lane for trusted users to get through without being blocked or challenged. Imagine it like a VIP pass at a concert. Everyone else waits in line, but your trusted IPs get right in. It's important you only use this for sources you really trust because it's a powerful bypass. Once everything looks good, double-check your entries. You don't want to accidentally whitelist the wrong IP. When you're sure about your choices, go ahead and save or deploy the rule. Cloudflare will take a few moments to update its settings, so don't worry if you don't see changes instantly. Give it a minute or two and that's it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP address, range, or country in Cloudflare using IP access rules. Remember, you can always edit, disable, or remove these rules later if your needs change. So you're never locked in. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you get stuck at any step, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.